What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the stream and welcome back to the channel where I show you how to make money trading crypto, whether it's going up or down. I love saying that, guys. Thank you for coming back. Who do we got in chat here? We got Derek B. What's going on? Thank you for coming back. Tony, thank you for being here, our new moderator. KP, welcome back. EMS, good to see you. As always, Tyler Durden, what is going on? The Rainbow Pop-Tart, I like that. What is going on, guys? Today, we have a great stream, as always. You guys, you saw the title, right? You saw the title. It's happening. You asked for it. I said I would try. We made it happen. We're giving away some Ledger Nanos. So if you want to get your crypto off the exchanges onto a hardware wallet to keep it extra safe, put it in your fire safe, you know, put it somewhere else, keep it nice and safe. You can't get hacked. So we're going to be giving away a couple of these guys. So let me just get these out of the way. But yeah, guys, big giveaway. And we're going to still have the Cardano NFTs coming, hopefully in the near future. But we're going to start off with the ledgers. I'm going to talk a little bit about the details about that later on in the stream. But we're going to be taking a look at Bitcoin. And guys, I just recorded 2 videos today. One of them is almost done. Going to get working on the other one tomorrow. Finally, I know you guys have been asking for it. The spider line video is coming. I decided to edit that one first because I know you guys were looking for it. Guys, if you came from ATB and DZ shouted me out, I gave him a little note while he was live. Written on a $100 bill that I was live. So hopefully he remembered. Let me get hashtag ATB in the chat if you are coming from that stream. And yeah, we're going to take a look at Bitcoin. We're going to talk about the giveaway. We're spinning the wheel, right? We're going to spin the wheel, have some fun. I decided, I think we're going to take the challenges that I do off and then we'll replenish them as we go. So we got 2 free spots. We'll fill those later on. Happy Valentine's Day, right? Happy Valentine's Day for you lovers out there and you single people. You know, we see you out there too. So happy V-Day. I hope you guys are feeling the love. But yeah, so so I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a teaser on maybe a little bit on the spider line video. Also shot the Fibonacci video today, going in depth on the Fibonacci's. The Fibonacci retracement tool. How do you use it? Where do you draw the lines from? How do you know what you're looking at? When to use it to trade, when not to use it to trade, because I don't know if you guys remember from the last stream, there is a time and a place to use the Fibonacci. You don't want to be using it on certain time frames. Certain other time frames you do want to use it on to trade. So you definitely, I'm gonna tease that a little bit. I'm not gonna show you too much. I'll give you a little taste. I'm gonna give you the whole Sunday sauce. I'm gonna give you a little spoonful. I'll give you a spoonful of the sauce today, and then we'll upload the spider line video tomorrow. And you guys can hit the charts, draw your spider lines, and find those good levels. Find those good levels, get those good entries, and make a little bit of that money. Let's get it. We didn't do it yet today. We want that. Oh yeah, it sounds so good. That does sound so dang good. Going over to chat real quick. Nice. I was about to buy a ledger today. Hey, Derek, might be your lucky day. Maybe you won't have to pay for one. They are sealed, brand new, guys. I mean, nothing. We're legit over here. They're sealed. Use it, don't use it. If you want it and you don't want to use it, we're sending it to you anyway. If you win, you win. That's it. Let's see here. Oh, all right. We got a lot of hashtag ATBs in here. DZ did shout us out. I think it's because I put it on the $100 bill. I wrote the note on the $100 bill, so maybe caught his eye a little better. Now he's probably thinking like, I could buy some more Chainlink with that. MC Crypto, thank you for being here. Tim, thank you. Grim the Reaper, what is going on? He's from ATB, or she, don't know, can't tell from the name there. But let's see here. Jesse, thank you for being here. What's up on the Fed meeting? We could talk a little bit about that. Guys, we got a lot of fundamental stuff going on, right? So definitely things to keep an eye on. Let's see. XRP. We will take a look at XRP. James M says, hashtag Singles Awareness Day. Hey, I would agree with that. Let's see. Rickster, hashtag Bing Bong Value Sauce, he says. I love that. Hashtag Bing Bong. Hashtag Bing Bang. Hashtag Bing Bong Value Sauce. He says, Frankie, can't wait to see what you got for us. Thanks for all you do. Appreciate you. I appreciate you. You appreciate y'all. I appreciate you. Let's see. Yeah, I want a ledger. Thank you. Please, MC. Hey, might be your lucky day. Might be your lucky day. Let's see. For real, his 3-chain link. That's right. That's right, Caleb. Celeb. I don't know how to say your name. Sorry if I'm butchering that. Good evening from the Netherlands. I've never been to the Netherlands, but thank you for being here. We love having our worldwide audience in here. Hey, Fergie, good to see you on Bro. Crypto Mac, good to see you in the chat. Guys, let's jump right into it. Like I said, we're trying to keep it a little more organized. I want to try to set things up where people can get that value real quick if they're not watching live and they don't have the time to, watch through the whole 2-hour stream. I know it's long. We are working on the timestamps. I'm going to try and get timestamps for you guys so you can just come. Maybe I'll have a label, just the hashtag Bing Bong Value Sauce. You click that, you get everything you need to know. I try to give you guys value on every single stream, teach you a little something, give you a little more, give you a couple more tools in your tool belt while you're trading. So let's get right into it. And let me share my screen here. By the way, guys, might sneak out a little bit early today. Maybe we'll hit 2 hours. We'll see what goes on. But I do have a wonderful young lady out there waiting for me. She's the best. So shout out to her. Happy Valentine's Day to Jess. She's the best. She supports me in everything I do. True ride or die. So I might sneak out of here a little early. Got to spend some time with her. Show my appreciation, of course. So let's jump right into the charts. And here we are. Coincidentally, Fibonacci drawn, right? So we're going to go a little bit into the Fibonacci today. I'm going to tease it a little bit. I know I mentioned on the stream yesterday that I would show you guys how to get that 0.65 level. I didn't realize until the car ride home that I forgot to tell you guys. But maybe we'll go over that today. Maybe I'll save it for the video. I don't know. It's going to be coming out soon. So either way, you guys are getting it. So guys, what about that Super Bowl pump? I mean, I'll be honest, I wasn't really that surprised. A lot of people were like, oh my God, it's gonna pump like crazy. And I'm not saying they were crazy for thinking that. I mean, who could have known, because we've never seen crypto commercials in the Super Bowl. I was kind of on the fence about it. I didn't really see how it could pump us that much, but I didn't know. Coinbase's website and app got crushed because of all of the people that scanned that QR code. So, yeah, I was expecting a little pump. I was sitting there looking at the charts. I wanted to go live because I was waiting for something to happen so I could hop on live and it would be super exciting with you guys. But really, it just wasn't that exciting. But what's going on now? Let's. I'm going to talk about what I talked about on the BitBoy Crypto morning stream. If you guys were watching this morning, we got DZ hosting this morning. Ben is out of the office. But we do have this weekly VWAP that did cross over, right? Very bullish. That's what's got me feeling pretty bullish. So that is some good news. But something important, get your notepads, get your pencils. Here's a little bit of that Sunday sauce. I'm going to give you a spoonful right now. This does look, the VWAP coming up is good. Got the money flow coming down. Got to see how this plays out. But this is typically very bullish. If you guys are new to the channel, we do cover this all the time. But if we switch over, you guys ask me why I use Heikin-Ashi candles. I tell you it's easier to see the trends. It's easier to read the chart. But I told you I do once in a while switch to regular candles, and this is why. So switching over to the regular candlesticks, if you get a little closer here, I want you guys to take a look. Let's get rid of this Fibonacci. They do call me freaking Fibonacci, but not right now. Not right now. We got to get it out of here. Get that out of here. Yeah, okay, let's get rid of this fib. Guys, I want you to take a look at this. This candle right here is the one in question, this red candle right there. This is a textbook shooting star candle. That's what it's called. And it's actually a bearish reversal candle, right? So typically when you see these, it is a sign of a bearish reversal. So you see the price tried to shoot up, right? We wicked all the way up to this 46, around 46,000. And then the bears came in and they slammed the price right back down. They call it a shooting star. Could be a bearish reversal. So this is a little bit of bearish news on the weekly time frame. We do have the VWAP coming up that's bullish, but we cannot ignore this candle, guys. We cannot ignore that. It could be signaling a bearish reversal. And now you say, where are we going, right? What if we get the bearish reversal? Where can we go, right? I am personally watching these specific levels. I think we can come down and possibly test the $40,000 area. maybe a little lower, high 30s. And then, that's where, if you come down to that 40K level, test it again, and we bounce up, that could just be, a little correction before we continue to the upside. But yeah, and you guys have to remember, right? You have to remember. Let me just grab my brush. These are gonna be a little sloppy here, but we are basically in the long term. We have this support line down here. I usually draw it as a box, as I suggest you guys do as well. You want to draw it as like a little bit of a range, super rough drawing, but I'm just saying you want to have it, we wicked down here. You want to have it as a range. We do have this range that we have not, oh, that was a little high for this, but yeah, we have not come back down to test this area down here again yet, right? If you guys remember a while back, we were talking about the possibility of a running flat or an expanded flat. If you guys want me to go over what that is, you can put it in the chat. I'll be happy to go over it. But essentially, we're in a situation where, we came and we made this high and then made a higher high. And in some cases, you do see price come down and create a lower low, right? So you come out, you come up, you make the higher high, you come down, you make a lower low, meaning lower from this level right here, before running up, to higher prices. Another scenario that could play out is what's called a running flat. I guess I'm just going into this. The hashtag CandleMafia, Blanchard's Bees. What's going on, Blanchards? Welcome back. Another situation we could see playing out is a running flat where you have this resistance line here. Price comes up, right? Draw the trend line here. Price comes up, you bounce down, you come back up, you make a higher high, and then you make a lower low, and then run out higher. Currently, that is what I was thinking is going to play out, but you do have to remember there is a chance we come down and touch these lower accumulation levels before running up a little higher. Guys, 108 people in here. Let's go. 57 likes. Let's jack that up, guys. If you want to spin the wheel, if you want a chance to win the giveaway, we got to get the likes to at least 250 if you want to see me do a fun little challenge, and if you want a chance to win the giveaway. If you're just tuning in, we are giving away a Ledger Nano S. I think we're going to give one away this week. We're going to give one away next week. And then Cardano NFT giveaways going to be coming in the future. So keep a lookout for that. Thank you guys for being here. So smash that like button if you like free Ledger Nanos. If you like free stuff, right? Today's energy is brought to you by just good old-fashioned black coffee. You know what I'm saying? That's good. That's some good coffee right there. I'm telling you. But yeah, guys, you just have to remember that there is a chance that we can come back and touch these lower levels. We have not tested them again since back here. So I am looking for hopefully we can test. If we do test 40, we can get a bounce off of that, maybe high 30s. But there is a chance that we do come back into this treacherous accumulation zone. So just keep that in mind. Moving on to the daily for Bitcoin, right? I was telling you guys last time we were hanging out, I was telling you, we had the daily VWAP coming down, was expecting a little bit of downside. We did indeed see a little dip ski, as they call it. Let's see, about 9% from the top of that wick. So we were expecting that. So we are curving back up, though. That VWAP is curving back up. Money flow starting to curve down, though. Let me just zoom in on this so you guys can see. Right, so you had the VWAP come down. We saw that 10% correction. We are now curving back up to the upside. But this money flow wave is curving down, right, indicating maybe the correction's not over just yet. So let's get back off these gross candles and get back those pretty Heikenashis. Look at that. So yeah, let's see. What did I got? I'm going to show you guys something. Where was it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so, we've been talking about those bearish divergences, right? Bearish and bullish divergences. 124 people. Let's go, guys. Let's go. 87 likes. Let's go, guys. If you like Ledger Nano S's, if you're just getting here, smash the like button. And we're going to be giving one of these away this week and one away next week. But, right, these bearish and bullish divergences where you see momentum making lower highs while you have price making price is basically going up and momentum is coming down. And they play out really well, guys. They really do. Taking a look at this one right here, if you had seen this, right? Price coming up, momentum coming down, right? And you get that open alligator mouth that we talk about. And that is a bearish divergence. You do get a correction after that, guys. This is a great way to find trades. Get the pen out, get the pen, get the paper, get the pen, get the paper. Get the papers, get the papers. We were talking about Two-Time Tommy or whatever they called him in that movie. Get the papers, get the papers. Get your pens, get your papers, get your papers. They call me Frankie Two-Time. Write this down, guys. This is a good way to find good trades. So you got that bearish divergence. You could see that forming, right? It confirms with the red dot. And then we took that, that little dipski to the bottom of this wick, about 6%. Did I see? Why did that look so much bigger on the other? Oh, because we're not at the top of the wick. Well, so let's say you caught the top of the wick, guys. Very rare that anyone catches the very top or the very bottom, but you could come down there. And if you did catch the top and the bottom, you could have made a mean 9% with a little bit of 10x leverage. That's 100 or 92% on your trade, right? You put $100 in, you almost double your money. Let's see how long that would have taken you. I just like doing that for fun to see how long it could take you, because sometimes you'd be surprised, how much money you can make in a short period of time. All right, so this was 4 days. Obviously, we're on the 4-hour chart, so this would have been a little bit of a longer swing trade. But still, guys, 4 days to double your money, right? That's not that bad. That's not that bad. And all you got to do is hold and wait for your exit. Somebody is kicking me off of my trading view here. Somebody's on my trading view, guys. They're gonna make me sick the CandleMafia after them if they keep taking these charts over. But yeah, so that was I did want to point that out to you guys, because that is a good way to find trades. And then you can find bullish divergences as well, where price is coming down and momentum is coming up, and it works in the opposite way. You'd be looking for a long position there, guys. If you just learned something, right? If you just learned something, hashtag Bing Bong, hashtag value, or hashtag Bing Bong value sauce. If you're liking the Sunday sauce we're giving you. All right, guys, just broke the 100 like resistance. Let's go. 152 concurrent viewers, 100 likes, guys. Let's go. If you are learning something, please hit me with the hashtag value, so I know you guys are learning something. And if you already know about divergences, be like, hey, Frankie, move on. We already know this. But all right, let's check chat a little bit here. I've been neglecting it a little bit here. Will says the candle came out at the same time it was announced by the Ukrainian president that Russia could invade on Wednesday. Yeah, I don't want to get too deep into the Russia stuff, but yeah, again, guys, I always talk about this. We got to be careful, right? We have a lot of fundamental stuff going on, or just a lot of news, a lot of world events going on that could be affecting the markets, right? So just always remember, I mean, the charts, you got the trusty charts, you got the trusty TA, right? You got your knowledge, you got your tools, you're ready to trade. But when something crazy happens in the world like this, the charts will go out the window, we're going to have to see how this plays out. So just protect yourselves, guys. Stop losses, risk management. We talk about it all the time. I'm going to be coming out with a risk management video. It's just protect yourselves, because we got a lot of crazy stuff going on right now. Dive Bomb says, did my part. I assume he hit the like button, or she. Let's see. Hey, Jimmy Two Shoes, he's back. He's always in here. Hashtag Bronx Bitcoin Bulls. Jimmy Void. Do the like smash, guys. The like smash. Smash it. Smash it. I was going to make a little mafia joke, but I don't know if YouTube will like it. Let's see. Bital Ali. I don't, Bital, I don't know. I hope I didn't, mess that up too bad. He says, hi, hero. Be-all, I can't, guys, the text is very small. Somebody said, can we get Frankie a 40-inch screen TV so he doesn't have to lean in to read the chat? I like how you think. But he says, here from Pakistan. Hey, welcome from Pakistan. We love all of our worldwide viewers and love to see you guys coming from other ends of the earth. This is insane. All right, let's see. I'm here for the TA. Free stuff is bonus. Let's go. Cultivating Craftsman. You're here for everything. All right, let's see. Trying to work and pay attention to you. I'm not working very hard. V-Slim, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Always good to see you. Yeah, I'll try to give you a little audio cues so you don't have to keep looking at the screen. Let's see. Okay. All right, we got a lot of hashtag value, hashtag Bing Bong. Love it, guys. Love it, love it, love it. Joshua McKay, thank you for being here. Thank you for being here. Let's see. Jonathan, welcome back. Happy Valentine's Day to all you lovers. Inverted head and shoulders on the daily is about 90% complete. Strong bullish signal. Hey, Sal. Hey, it's my Uncle Sal. This is my Uncle Sal in the chat. Yes, I actually didn't bring this up on the morning stream, but we can talk about it. We can talk about it today. I will go over that. Let's see. Frankie needs a bigger monitor. MC, I agree. I agree. Jimmy says, you the man. Chart hashtag Frankie Candles chart boss. Let's go. Let's go, Jimmy. Let's see. I'm here from my boy Frankie. Crypto Anon, thank you for being here. Appreciate you watching. Appreciate you coming back. And Jonathan says, hashtag smash the like, hashtag smash the likes. Hashtag smash the likes, hashtag smash the likes. They call him Johnny Two-Time, you know, in the neighborhood. Thoughts on XRP case? We can talk about that. Frankie crushing the TA. Best one out there. Ammo, I appreciate that. I appreciate that. If you just tuned in, giving away a Nano. I'm just going to sprinkle that in there for the new viewers that are popping in. Hashtag Bing Bong. Who's pumped for today's giveaway? Where'd that go? All right, lost it. Bali says you are not work on fundamental. I don't understand that question. Sorry. Yes, Sal's my uncle. That's what he says. Sal, you could be my uncle. I'll let it happen. What we giving away? Hey, Mitch, we're giving away Ledger Nano S's. We're gonna give one away this week, one away next week. So stay tuned. We're gonna talk about that at the end of the stream. And yeah. So let's go ahead and take a look at the charts here again. All right, let's take, guys, Gala. I did mention that I did buy a little Gala at 30 cents. This is a perfect time to talk about why I didn't put all of my money in. I put a little bit. You know, I have my capital that I'm going to invest, and I put a little chunk. I'd say about maybe 15% of it in at 30 cents. And look at that. We're at 29 cents now. You don't see me crying, right? It's just more on sale. I'm gonna see if how close we can get to the other, see if we can break this support level here and come closer to this fib level. And I'll just buy in a little bit lower. But yeah, Gala under 30 cents. So just keep an eye on that. Let's see. Oh, I lost my chat here. Let's see. Happy V-Day, Frankie. Main chicks get dinner, and some Solana side chicks get get Chick-fil-A and Ada. You guys are funny. J Mac, thank you for being here. Yeah, that was good. I like that. EMS, what's going on? On the Bybit and Femex platform, there are checkbox, post only, and reduce only. Do most people have these boxes checked when trading? I'm confused by them. We can take a look at that. Sweet Ledger Nano. T Grace, thank you for being here. Let's see. Hey, Rafi, welcome back, man. Thank you for being here. I bought Gala at 37 cents. T Grace, don't worry about it. Just remember, you don't want to sell in the red, right? Unless you need that money to pay your rent in dire need. Don't sell in the red. I don't recommend it. It's not a fun time. All right, Ethereum chart analysis. A few requested earlier. Okay, yeah, let's check out a little bit of Ethereum. All right, taking a look here. A pretty naked chart. Okay. All right, so let's come on over to the daily, right? And we're gonna get into the fibs, guys. We're gonna get into the Fibonacci's. We're gonna get into the spider lines just a little bit. I'm just gonna tease it because then you guys won't watch the video. We need you to watch the video. Too much to talk about to get it all done in this stream. But let me just pull a little Fibonacci retracement from this high here to this low right here. And let's zoom in a little bit and take a look. All right, so just looking at market cipher B, same thing as Bitcoin, right, guys? Ethereum's kind of always looking similar to Bitcoin, right? So kind of redundant, but money flow coming down, VWAP curving up. Excuse me. We can see the VWAP start to curve up, right? And we could get rejected and come back down if we do dump a little more, or we could just curve right back up. Depends. We'll have to see how that plays out, but we do have the money flow coming down. Important to note. But yeah, so we are hitting this fib level right here, guys. Perfect example of why fibs are important. Coming over and hitting that fib level right there. Will we hold it? Will we lose it? You know, time will tell. Yeah, I mean, let's see. Let's zoom in a little bit. Let's go down to the 4-hour. Yeah, we're getting a little bounce. Doesn't look too strong to be, if I'm being frank, guys. Let me just be frank with you, right? Yeah, we'll have to see. We got the 4-hour VWAP coming down. This bounce was not that strong. Maybe we'll have to see if we break this. We'll have to see if we break this fib level. You know, if we do, maybe we come down into the lower, you know, mid 2000s, closer to 27 or 26. But you know, again, very dependent on what Bitcoin does. I do like I say, I do like looking at the alts because I know you guys like it. I like to give you as much as I can, but you know, it's just very, very dependent on Bitcoin. If Bitcoin dumps, you can almost bet that Ethereum will probably follow. Taking a look at chat. Let's see. FCC, Frankie Candles Cartel coming for you. I like it, Mitch. I like that, Mitch. I like that. Hashtag Blanchard V says hashtag Candle. Guys, we got a debate going on in the chat. So Candle Crew did win the poll, right? And then, you know, CandleMafia, a lot of people said they couldn't vote and they liked CandleMafia. I don't know if maybe we should just go with CandleMafia or if we should do another poll. Or maybe we could just kind of you know, we're the Candle Crew with CandleMafia, we're the Candle Gang, right? Right? We're just a group of candle people, you know what I'm saying? Let's see. Sweet Baby says, did you use the fib on the higher time frame? I use the fib on all different time frames. Talk about that in the Fibonacci video. You can use it on any time frame. It's pretty amazing. But there are things you want to use it for on the bigger time frames that you don't want to use it for on the lower time frames and vice versa. There's a time and a place and a way to use each Fibonacci or each time frame with the Fibonacci retracement tool. And we're going to get into that just a little bit. Let's see. What do you think about meme coins like Shiba? I always say this. I don't invest in meme coins like long term. That's not to say that you can't make money with it, right? You could always make money with it. You know, I would have made money if I bought Doge when you know, back in the day, or I bought Shiba before it popped off. But yeah, I don't typically invest in them. But you know, I like to invest in projects that have good use case. They have a good future in crypto, and the ones that I think will be around for the long term. So you know, I'm not telling you not to buy the meme coins, right? If you want to put a little money in, see if you can make some. You know, that's totally fine. People make money with those all the time. It's the low cap meme coins, like the Shiba, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Elon Musk, Bill Gates, Inu, right? Like those coins are like Supermoon, you know, Supermoon or whatever it is. You know, I don't recommend those meme coins. They're usually very short-lived. They usually go to zero. Chances are they're not going to be around in 4 years. So I definitely recommend staying away from those low cap meme coins. Let's see. EMS, Frankie Candle. What's going on, EMS? You always come by. I love when you come by, man. It's always a good stream. Always a good stream. Adam chart analysis. Let's hop into it. You don't got to tell me twice. I love Adam. So actually, I was keeping an eye on Adam. I was gonna do a little scalp long ski here. Where is this? When we came down to this level, as you can see, it's been pretty strong. Almost every time we've touched it, we've had a pretty nice move to the upside. I missed the entry, and good thing I did not FOMO in because it wasn't, you know, we wicked up, right? When you see those long wicks on the top of the candle, it's not really what you want to see for an uptrend. When you're looking at an uptrend, you could see these strong moves to the upside typically have big green bodies on them. You know, he's got a good momentum to the upside, a nice strong body on those. So that's what you're looking for on the Heikin-Ashi candles, those big green bodies. And you can see these are kind of lackluster, the little tiny things, but they're like little nibs. But yeah, I mean, get in at the top, out at the bottom, out at the top, you could have made about 6%. I'm glad I missed out on that one. Probably would have been a little bit of a stressful trade. But I was looking there just to give you guys an idea of, like, you know, you see that you come down, you bounce. We hadn't been down there. We tested it here, came back up. So I was looking for maybe a scalp long there, but not upset I missed it. Not upset I missed it. Let's come over to the daily. Size it here. Yeah, I mean, this is pretty strong support here, as you can see, right? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, boom, right? Strong support. So we are sitting at a pretty strong level. You know, again, very dependent on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin decides to go down and retest 40, chances are we'll probably break this support line. So just keep a lookout for that. You got to keep an eye on Bitcoin. Got to keep, you know, half your ears on the, you know, you got to keep this ear on the news, this ear on the charts. You know, because like I said, the charts are right until you know, something crazy happens in, you know, in the news, and then all those charts can go bye-bye. All right, let's see. You're my boy, Frankie. You're my boy. Crypto Anon. Hey, you're my boy. You're my boy. Oh, my girl. I don't know. You know, I can't tell with these YouTube names, you know, who I'm talking to, but you're in the familiar. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Let's see. You're getting Sunday sauce, Crypto Anon. You're getting invited to the Sunday macaroni dinner. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Crypto Anon shooting stars. Yes, I don't know if you're saying that because you saw it on the chart or if you just saw us talk about it. We did have a shooting star candle on the weekly. For those who are just tuning in, I'm going to go to regular candles. This is Adam. I was like, why does it look so big? Yes, shooting star candle on the weekly right there. For those who just tuned in, typically, so hard to draw on these longer time frames. Typically a bearish reversal candle, so definitely got to keep our eyes on that. We are printing a green candle starting this week off strong-ish. But yeah, definitely want to keep an eye on that, you know, to see, you know, to see if we're going to get that bearish reversal. Like I said, looking at 40K, high 30s maybe. If we break those, you know, the higher 30s, you know, 38, 37, we could be seeing some downside. Like I said, we have not touched this accumulation zone down here yet. Again, you know, we might come down and test that one more time before we go up. So we'll have to keep an eye on it. We'll have to keep an eye on it. All right, let's see. Guys, 153 likes, 166 viewers. I think we're going to hit our 250 like goal if you guys want a chance to get a Ledger Nano S to keep your crypto safe. You know, stick around, smash that like button, stick around to the end of the stream. We're going to be spinning the wheel. This doesn't count. This is a fun spin. Oh, listen, if it lands on something easy, we'll do it. We'll do it. Oh, guys, I'm warming the wheel up for you. I'm warming the wheel up for you. It already hit giveaway. You know, is this thing rigged for giveaways? I don't know. Maybe. Let's do one more. All right, indeed, it's not rigged. All right, let's see. Hi from Poland. Welcome from Poland. Welcome to Atlanta, Georgia. Let's see. Okay. Okay, let's see. Are you thinking about shorting? I'll be honest. Who said that? Who said that? Chris? I'm always thinking about longing. I'm always thinking about shorting. It depends on what time frame you're looking at, right? Long term, I'm not looking at any longer term trades, right? I'm not ready to short it down to 40 just yet. But we're gonna have to see how this daily VWAP decides to play out. Like I said, we can see it pop up right through the zero line, or we can kind of see it get rejected and come back down before going back up because we do have that money flow curving down. Not the most bullish thing. We do like to see on the money flow, like you see how it curves up like that, nice and clean over here. That's what you want to see when you're coming to the upside. You want that clean curvature, clean. Let's see. Do you short ever? Oh yeah, Chris, I do short. Yes, I absolutely do. MC Crypto, hashtag love Frankie Candles. Thank you, MC Crypto. I hashtag love you. 250, easy. Mitch says it's easy. Let's go. 170 already, guys. We're 35 minutes into the stream. I have a feeling we're spinning the wheel today. I have a feeling. Crypto Anon says, Nano, baby. Let's go. Thank you for the knowledge. Hey, Coach MC, anytime. I'm here for the knowledge. We call it sauce here on the channel. You can call it knowledge, that's fine, but we call it the Sunday sauce. Speaking of Sunday sauce, I think I'm ready to give you guys another spoonful. Let's talk about the Fibonacci, right, guys? Put it in chat. Do you want the Fibonacci sauce or the spider line sauce? We got both videos coming out. I'll give you guys a little teaser here, but I don't want to give you guys one if you don't want to see it. So let me know in the chat if you want spider lines or Fibonacci. Let's see. Let's go. Doji, Elon, Mars, Shiba Inu, VeChain. Okay. Quantum. Yeah, we could take a look at some of those. Not looking at Doji, Elon, Mars. I'll tell you that. Big thumbs up from Australia, Gary. Thank you for being here all the way from down under, as they say. Let's see. What's the hourly like? Let's take a look at the hourly on Bitcoin. I assume is what you mean. Yeah. So let's take a look at the hourly. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, guys, like I said, if I had a dollar for every one of these random lines I drew, because I thought I had the little grabby tool, I'd be a billionaire. All right. Let's go back to our Heikanoshi candles. All right. Let's see here. Market cipher B. Look at that. VWAP crossover printed that green dot. Could we possibly see a bearish divergence form here, depending on how high this brings us up? Right? You got this, and guys, with the divergences, it is more powerful. I didn't mention this. It's more powerful when you see this blue wave come up through that white line. Right about here at 60. You have one at 60 and then another one down here at -60. So you could kind of think of that if you guys did watch my Market Cipher B tutorial. You will know that I kind of go over that, and you could kind of think when you're below the -60 line, that's kind of like being oversold, and when you're above the 60 line up here, it's kind of like being overbought. That is important for these divergences. A lot of times you want to see it come over and pierce this 60 line, or if you're looking for the if you're looking at the other end, you want to see it come down and pierce this -60 line. Let's see, spider. You guys want the spider? Like, wow. Okay. Maybe we'll go over a little bit of both. Yeah, spider. Wow, you guys want spider lines? Okay. Brad says, always a good time to pull your fib. I don't know what that means, but it sounds funny when you say it. Meta Money, let's go. Guys, Meta Money in the chat. If you're not following Meta Money and you like making money and playing video games, I don't know what you're doing. You got to go subscribe to them. They show you how to make money while you're playing video games. Some of them you could just set and forget while your video game characters are making you money while you don't even have to think about it. And I could attest to that. I told you guys in past streams, they got me on one of the games. I was making money. And it's easy. You just set it and forget it, and then you just come and check on them once in a while, and you got little guys running around dropping bombs and making you money. It's pretty awesome and pretty crazy to see that you can actually make money playing video games. Hey Frankie, are you going to have a place where you post your levels, TA, etc. in the future? Maybe where we would be able to import them into our charts. Illusions of Hope, thank you for being here again. Typical viewer, appreciate you coming back. Yes, we are. So moves are being made on the Discord, guys. I could try to work on getting you guys. I think I can share my charts via link with you guys. I could share them in that Discord. So we are getting the Discord up and running. It's going to be a place where the greatest community on YouTube can get into this Discord, talk TA, right? Talk to each other, learn from each other. I'll be in there helping you guys out. I'll be teaching you. I'll be showing you guys what I'm looking for on the charts. It also gives me a really easy way to get in there. If I see a trade setup or something, I can put it in there without having to sit down and make a whole video or make a video on Twitter or whatever it is. It's just easy for me to pop in. Even on Valentine's Day, my girlfriend, my beautiful girlfriend might not really like it, but I could just kind of get in there and be like, ooh, bullish divergence on the 4 hour, just kind of get in there quick and give it to you guys. It'd be a really good way for us to communicate and build a great community where we can all learn and become more profitable traders and turn this into something where you can consistently make money over time and not just gamble away your money, right? No one likes doing that unless you like going to Vegas. In that case, maybe you do like it. Let's see. What's the game called? Sorry, I kind of teased you guys with that. I think it's called Bomb Crypto. That was the one that got me on. I had some pretty good luck with it. I was making some money. I know Brian over there at Meta Money is making, I'm sure J-Chains too, are making some pretty good money with Bomb Crypto. They just set their guys up. They go to work. They come home and their dudes are in there in the game making them money while they're working over here getting money. Their boys are out in the video game getting money. We're getting money in all different ways around here. And if you guys like making money, smash the like button. Let's get to 250 so we can give away some of these dang Ledger Nanos. Yeah, smash the like button and subscribe. But like I was saying, what was I saying? Something about the Femix tutorial. Oh, I was talking about the oversold, overbought. It's how you could kind of think of that. But yeah, it's much more powerful to see these, this wave pierce through the 60 line. Maybe we can see this come up and might not quite, You might not quite come up that high, in which case, if you have price continuing to come higher and price makes a higher high while momentum is making a lower low, hey guys, that could be a shorting opportunity. Grab your notebooks out. Never financial advice. I'm just showing you what I see on the charts and what could possibly happen. I'm not saying that's happening now. I'm saying we'll have to see how it plays out. And if we have the Discord, when we have the Discord up, if it does confirm, I could kind of let you guys know in there. So keep an eye out for the Discord. Let's see. All of us need to have a super cycle altcoin season since we have never had one yet. Yes, Joshua, we have not seen that massive altcoin season that we all love. Yes, it could be on the way. It could be on the way. I don't know if you guys watched the morning stream when we had Blockchain Backer on, but he was saying that he thinks that we could be in for that parabolic altcoin season soon. It is weird that we haven't seen one, but you have to understand that the market is maturing. We have way more institutions, way more big money, and a lot of leverage. There's a lot of things that are maturing this market, and with that, you get less parabolic moves. If you go back to, I don't have the exact chart, but you can see that just roughly like these moves get less and less as time goes on. So this was about, I think it was actually closer to 1,500, but we'll say just for sakes, like say this is about 1,600%, and that was 2017. And if you go, from roughly here, 1,000%, and maybe a little more if you go to the top of that candle. So these parabolic moves in these cycles become less parabolic and less parabolic as time goes on, which is bitter and sweet at the same time, right? Because those massive gains kind of get chewed out and chewed down slowly as time goes on. But it also maturizes the market. Maturizes? I don't know if that's a real word, but it matures the market, right? So that is a good thing. You don't see these huge 80% bear markets anymore. You won't, but you also won't see those massive. You won't see those moves to the upside being as parabolic as well. So it's kind of bittersweet. But just something to keep in mind, right? But that's not to say that this is Bitcoin, right? That we're talking about. Just because that doesn't mean that you can't get in on altcoins super early as the market's maturing, and those coins are still, going to go parabolic. But as a whole, the market is just going to mature over time. Each cycle is going to be less and less parabolic. It's just the nature of a maturing market. So yeah, just a little bit of knowledge there. Dropping the bombs here. Dropping the knowledge bombs. I want to be clear, knowledge bombs. Let me just take a quick sip of this coffee here. Gotta love coffee, right? When you set up Discord, Frank, set it up like mob ranks. If you need help with it, let me know. I got you. Crypto Anon, you will be on my list for people to help out. You're an OG. You've been here since the beginning. You come to every stream. You interact. You help people out in the chat. I appreciate that. And yeah, that is cool, right? Like you can have like Capo, Boss, Godfather, that kind of stuff. I like it. I like where your head's at. Hey, let's go, Brandon. You're late, but you're not, late is better than never. Happy Valentine's Day to you. I don't know if you have a Valentine or you're single, but either way, I hope you're feeling the love today. If you're not feeling the love from a significant other, I'll give you a little bit of love, man. I'll give you a little bit of love, Brando. I got you. Maturinize. Oh, maturinize, is that the word? I didn't know if it was an actual word I was looking for, but maturinize, maybe that's the word. Thank you, Mitch. I appreciate that. I'm not a word guy, as you guys know. I don't know catchphrases. I don't know. Not great. ADA to the moon. Rui, yes, I hope so. I hope. I got a bag of ADA. I would love for it to go up. I got some Cardano NFTs. I need those to go up too. Speaking of Cardano NFTs, we will be giving them away on this channel very soon after we get through these Ledger Nanos. Let's see. Hashtag mob ranks. Let's go. I think this year is not going to be good for Bitcoin, Franklin. Yeah, I mean, you got to keep an open mind either way, right? Because we like to, on this channel, we like to be prepared whether we're going up or down. We're trading leverage. I mean, we trade no leverage too. I'm just saying, you can long, you can short. Yeah, you want to be ready for either move, right? I got my long-term bags. This is kind of, I had this conversation at the barber shop, right? I was talking to my barber, and he actually trades Forex, I think. And he was saying, he's like, everybody says that, everyone says that, 95% of day traders, whatever the statistic is, they lose money, whatever. Guys, 191 viewers. Thank you for being here. We're giving away the Ledger Nano S's, guys. If you're interested, stick around to the end of the stream. But yeah, I was talking to my barber, and he was saying, 95% of day traders, whatever, lose money, and people always tell him that. And I think people take this whole thing with they come at the wrong angle, man. My whole life savings is not in my day trading account. Like I have my safer long-term investments. I have a job. I make money in other ways. But there's no reason why if you have a skill, which is being able to read the charts and know what you're looking at and predict possible moves that are gonna happen, why not take a small chunk of your money and put it to work and actively trade and increase your money to pour back into those investments. I mean, people are like, yeah, you're day trading until you blow your account up. First of all, stop losses. People just forget about stop losses, I think. And then it's just like you got the stop losses, risk management, and then it's like not all my money is in my day trading account, guys. Calm down. If I blew up my account right now, I'm not gonna go broke. I'm not gonna blow up my account, but if I did, I'm not gonna go broke. I don't have all my money in there. And if you do, and you're new, it's okay. But fix that mistake early. You don't want to have all your money in there. You don't want to sell all your crypto in profit and then put it all into your leverage account. I mean, you don't want to do that. You want to be diversified, as they say. Check in chat real quick. Dot analysis. Okay, Tony, thank you. I appreciate you, man, keeping a lookout on these on chat, because I do miss some of the comments. I like that you're able to let me know what I'm missing, man. Thank you. I appreciate it. All right. Let's take a look at DOT, and then we'll look at the Fibonacci's real quick. DOT, let's come down to the 4 hour. Let's come to the 4 hour. All right, let's see. Okay. So kind of similar move, looking like Atom, right? We were just looking at Atom, excuse me, that lackluster kind of pump. We don't have those really big candles that we like to see. Excuse me. Where are we? Dot. Okay. So yeah, let me just clear these fibs out of here. And we are going to go into the hashtag value sauce, hashtag Bing Bong value sauce, in a second with the Fibonacci's. But real quick, let's just kind of look at this from a just a macro perspective. Yeah. Okay. So right now we just bounced off this level right here at about 18, 23, 25, 20, whatever you want to call it. This general area at about 18, 25, 23. We'll call it 23. We bounced here, right? Little support, bounced again. Now remember, guys, we talk about this. If you guys do watch the channel, you want to, when you see price coming up into resistance and you're setting higher lows, approaching that resistance, there is a probable chance that you will break up and out. So when you're in the same way, when you're setting lower highs on the way down, right? Bounced, came up, right? And you're like, okay, we're going up, and then you dump back down. And then if we set a lower low here, that is signaling that the bulls are losing momentum, right? They tried to push it up here, the bears slammed them down, and then they tried to come up again, and they just got suppressed a little more. And you have that line coming like this, and that may not be good. We may break down to the downside if that continues. So yeah, there's DOT for you. But while we're here, let me talk about the fib for a little bit. There you go. There's a random line. As always, guys, these things are going to be the end of me. But yeah, let's just come on over. Let me just pull up a random chart here and clear my lines so I can have just a little clear black space so we can talk, right? So the Fibonacci retracement is 1, 2, 3 tools down on TradingView. This is set up as it is default, so you should see the exact same thing on your TradingView. Now, if you click, you can double click, or you can click this little arrow right here to expand the tool draw. That's what I call it. I don't know if that's what it's called, but that's what I call it. So at the top, you see Fibonacci retracement. You're going to want to click that, right? And then you click once, you drag, and you click again, and it sets your levels, right? Obviously, we're not on price action right here. I'm just doing this so we can talk about it and explain a little bit. So this is the Fibonacci retracement tool. So you have these multiple levels. Essentially, all the Fibonacci is you guys wanted the spider lines, right? We already in this. I'll give you both. just a little teaser. Both the Fibonacci video and the spider lines video is going to be coming out very soon. Spider lines probably tomorrow, maybe Fibonacci the next day. But so here you go. It's basically just support and resistance, right? It's based off of a mathematical formula that appears all over the place. I think it appears in she shells by the seashore. It appears in seashells and as well as trees, tree branches, roots, and like all this stuff. It appears in nature. It's pretty insane. I think if you measure like this part of your arm and then from your forehead to your nose, it shows up. It's pretty wild. And someone figured out how to apply this to the markets, and it's pretty amazing. So you draw it out, you drag it from a high to a low. We'll go over that in a second. From a high to a low, and you get these levels, right? And typically price, let's say price came down. Typically price reacts off of these levels. Maybe you come down, you break, and then you come back up, you reject, right? Oh, you smash through this one, you bounce over here, and then you come through, you break out, you bounce. But essentially, it reacts off of these levels very strongly, right? Not all levels are as strong as the last, right? You have the 0.618 level right here. That is the golden ratio. And then you have the 0.618 level and the 0.65 level right here. And then this area in between both of those is called the golden pocket, right? A lot of people like to trade off of this. I go into this in the Fibonacci video. I show you guys how you can use this to trade, when not to use it to trade, because there is a time not to use it. You can get wrecked trading this because remember, everybody knows about this, right? This is not a secret. The Fibonacci retracement tool has been around for a long time. There's tons of people using it. So you run into some issues when you have so many people using the same indicator. The whales, right? The whales are lurking. They're like, look, they're gonna go for the golden pocket, right? Price is coming down. Price is coming down. All these retail traders, all the, as they call it, dumb money, right? We're considered dumb money compared to the whales, but not on this channel. On this channel, we swim with the whales, right? We're the smart money. You have price come down, the whales see that, and they're just like, okay, they know that everybody's gonna, I'm giving you guys the sauce here. I didn't want to go this deep into it because it's in the video, but there's much more in the video, so definitely check it out. But sometimes the whales eye this area, and they know that a lot of people set long positions right here, and they know that if they push the price below this level, they'll liquidate all the longs, and the price will go down even further, and then they can scoop it up only to finally, come to the upside. And so that's sometimes why you don't want to trade the golden pocket, but there's certain time frames where you can, it's better to trade the golden pocket, and then there's time frames where you definitely don't want to do it, and you risk getting wicked out by these whales, and they just steal your money. It should be criminal, but it's not. It's just the way a market works, right? It's a very profitable strategy, and they have the power to make it happen. So that's a little sauce on the Fibonacci. And then I show you guys how to set all the levels, but this is the strongest level right here. The 618 and the golden pocket is where you would want to look, right? If price was coming up and you were using it on the right time frame to trade it, if you're coming up, you could expect definitely a reaction off of this. So maybe you could set a short here and then take your profits, and then eventually maybe you break through it, but you get your little short from there. So yeah, I don't want to go too far into this. We're going to go into detail. I show you how to do everything, how to get all the levels in the video tomorrow. But I just wanted to give you guys a little knowledge on the Fibonacci, so you guys can start thinking about it. And then real quick, I'll just go over the spider lines. Let me check chat real quick. Let's see. Boom. Let's see. Let's see. It was Hit Network in here. TJ, are you on my stream? Dad? Let's see. I would be honored to be an admin. I will be online almost every time. I would love to boost your channel. Hey, John Connor, I have an idea. I have an idea of some people in here that I think would be really good mods. We already have a couple, but you are one of the OGs that I am keeping in mind. We do have a bunch of people that are very loyal to our channel, and I appreciate it a lot. And if you guys want, and maybe you can help out with the Discord too, if you're interested. But yeah, we could talk about that for sure. Frank, your fib video show other fib pulls like the pitchfork. Okay, yeah, Crypto Anon, good question. So the Fibonacci goes. There's all different fib tools, right? You could just see some of them in here. There's the pitchfork. There's all different type fib circles. I mean, it gets interesting, guys. But we don't cover any of that. I just cover the basic Fibonacci retracement, and I show you guys how to apply it when trading to increase your chances of winning your trades. And then also, I'll try to remember by the end of the stream, guys, there's a website, right? There's a website where you can put in, if you test your strategy, right? And you figure out, you test it out of 100 trades and you know your win-loss percentage, you know how much you're gonna trade with, you know what leverage you're gonna use. There's a website where you can plug all this information in and it lets you know how much money you can make mathematically off of your wins and your losses. And there's some strategies where you can lose. You can lose more than you win and you still make money, which is interesting, but it's a really powerful tool. Maybe I'll make a video on it, but we can go over it maybe if I remember by the end of the stream. But let's see. Frankie Candelabra. I love the candelabra. That's just a fun word to say, right, guys? Hashtag value. Let's go. Mr. Ali is learning stuff. I love it. Let's see. Frankie can't keep up with the chat anymore. Becoming too popular. Marcel, yes, you know what it is? I think I've done a good job in the recent past keeping up with chat, but I know there are some comments that I'm missing, and I know that you guys like the interaction. So I just want to make sure I don't miss any. But we do have Tony in chat, and then also Captain Kirk, which I don't think is here today. So good thing we have Tony here. If you guys think Tony's doing a good job modding, put a hashtag Let's Go Tony. But yeah, so I appreciate your help, Tony. It helps me not miss any of these comments. Let's take a look here. Hey, Frankie, this is Jack, MC Son. We are watching the stream in the car on the way to Scouts. Love the show. MC, hey, Scouts, I assume you mean Boy Scouts. I used to be a Boy Scout back in the day. Little rain gutter regatta, as they say, the little race in the boats in the rain gutters. That's another fun word to say, rain gutter regatta. But yeah, you got the soapbox derby. It's a fun thing. That's good. I like that you're going out with your son and bonding like that. That's cool. And I love that you love the show. I love having you guys here. So shout out to you and your son. Let's see. Yeah, that would be awesome. That website. Yeah, we can talk about that a little bit. Let's see. Cheeto says hashtag appreciate you, bro. I appreciate you. He didn't say hashtag. I said hashtag, but I appreciate you too, man. Let's see. Candleswick green, Candleswick red. We're in the kitchen. Making that bread, baby. Making the bread. I love that. Candleswick green, Candleswick red. We're in the New York Bagel Factory. Making that bread. Baby. All right, let's see. We love the interaction. John Connor, I love to hear it, and I love the interaction too. That's my favorite part of the stream. 175 viewers, guys, almost at 250. We're at 215, 214. Someone unliked. It's weird when people unlike, but that's okay. You do what you like. You want to like, unlike, like again. Maybe they want to like multiple times. You never know. But yeah, 214 on the likes, guys. If we get to 250, we're giving away the nanos this week. We're spinning the wheel. We're gonna see what happens. Let's see. Tony Rigatoni, let's go. All right. Oh, let's go, Tony. Good job, Tony. They like you. LGT. Let's go, Tony. Cool. All right, you guys are loving Tony. We got a good mod in here. This is the best thing to listen to while cooking VD dinner. Oh, Valentine's Day dinner for the wife. Hey, Neil, absolutely. And you could tell her, I'm cooking you dinner, and I'm also learning how to make us more money. So, hey, that's a win and a win right there. You could tell her next Valentine's Day is going to be even more bread at the Valentine's Day dinner. Teaching my 13-year-old grandson some Frankie Cartel candle methods right here, right now. Hey, Rich. That's a good idea. I love educating the youth on markets and trading. That's great. Is he interested? Let me know. Smash them. Okay, guys, spider lines. I'm giving you the value. We're giving you the value here. Let's see. All right, let's go over to Bitcoin, the old bitty boy over here. And okay, guys. So I don't know how I'm going to show you guys this without giving you everything. I'm gonna give you a little some. So with the spider lines, you want to be on the weekly chart, and the spider lines are drawn, right? If you guys don't know, spider lines, let me pull up my other chart here where I have them drawn. here you go. I guess we could just look at this chart, right? Spider lines are these diagonal areas of support and resistance. Some people say, hey, they're just random lines, like they say about TA all the time. If you come down to the 2 hour here, let's see. Oh, here we go. All right, boom. So yeah, I mean, random lines, sure. Kind of weird that, you know, kind of stuck that right there almost perfectly. That line's drawn from the spider line video I made earlier today. I was talking about how it stuck support there. Right, we come down, we test it here. So they're very strong. Whoa, I don't know what kind of circle that was. Circle, support, support, support. Held it there, faked it out. Support again. We're getting a bounce right now. So guys, like, and it goes to any time frame, right? As long as the spider line is, you know, there you go. Here we are on the 15-minute reactions, right? Look at that. Held that support. Held that support. 10-minute, you know, it goes they run through all the time frames. Almost said timelines, time frames. So they're very, very powerful. But you want to. They're drawn from the weekly chart, right? And they are drawn. This is kind of what they look like from where they're drawn. There we go, another random line, the famous random line. Let's see. So what you want to do with these spider lines is you want to come down to this area. We're going to go more in detail. I'm not going to get super specific here, guys. But you want to come down to this area. I think it's 2018. And basically, there's specific candles that you can draw them from. Basically, what you do is it's a ray tool. You want to go to your ray tool and you want to draw them from the top of your, here, let me go back to this chart so I could just draw one fresh. You want to grab your ray tool and you want to grab one of these candles right from the top of the candle. And then you want to go right over this big candle right here. And let's just go back or forward in time and see if this line is reacting anywhere. Where is that line? There's very well could be, yeah, okay, it's above all the, okay, there you go. So it was resistance right here, right? I guess that was the one we could draw. We drew one back, we would have been above it. But yeah, you can see that it reacts right here. And then obviously we come to here, you can see that it reacts all over the place. You can go down whatever time frame as we just did. But yeah, you draw them on the weekly time frame. We're gonna go more in detail on how to draw them in the video. But yeah, we're on the monthly, that's why. But yeah, don't want to give the whole video away. I do go more into detail, and I show you guys how you can use them. But yeah, I mean, they're very powerful, guys. I mean, I talk about this in the video. Now, let's find, like, okay, so like, right, you could be here, right? And let's just say you don't have any other trend lines drawn, just for the sake of the argument. You don't have that trend line, right? And you're looking at price and you're like, oh God, this is again why I don't recommend FOMOing into trades. You know, you're coming up, you're looking at it right here and you're like, oh no, I wanna, we're going up. This could be, you know, we're going to 100K here. I want to get in early, or I want to put my scalp long, whatever it is. You know, you could enter here, not realizing that you're coming up to that resistance line, and you can enter your long. Obviously, you just get bing bonged around right here, and then you come straight down. So, you know, it's good to have these lines to know, you know, when you enter a long, where's the next spider line of resistance and where's the next spider line of support if you're entering a long or a short. And then they also work as good shorts, right? Like, you know, you're coming up here, there's a good chance that you're going to get a reaction down. Obviously, you don't want to trade just based off of this, but, you know, through all the things that we show you on this channel, you should be able to have a bunch of different confirmations. But yeah, so keep an eye out for that video. And we will be going more in detail. And also, guys, if you do want to get into trading, and there's another random line, guys, just never fails, huh? Never fails. But if you guys want to get into trading, I use Femex. If you guys want to sign up for Femex, the link is in the description. I always want to say the link is in the video below. The link is in the description below for Femex. You could use my referral code to sign up. I really appreciate it. It does help out the channel a little bit. Costs you nothing, and I believe you do get a deal. So if you want to, I got to double check on like what the deal is with that. I think you guys do get a deal, like you get a sign bonus or something like that. But yeah, so the link is in the description below. Click that. I would really appreciate it. And you can start trading today. They have spot trading, leverage trading. That's what I use. It's super easy to understand. Already got the tutorial on the channel, so you guys can open your account right now through the link in the description. Watch the Femex video and get started right away. And watch all the other videos on the channel too, so you can have an idea of what you're doing. And yeah, start trading today. Let's see. Let's see. March 14th is Valentine's Day for the guys. Traded out some Ethereum for Nano. Let's go, Joshua. Let's go. Spider lines are the most accurate indicator I've ever seen. Crypto Anon. Hey, I mean, you go down to the 1 minute. Ooh, baby, almost sweared there for a little bit. I am Italian, guys. I get a little bit. I'm from New York. You know what I'm saying? We got, we just say whatever we want out there. But anyway. Look at this is the 1 minute. Look at this. Look at this. It works on the 1 minute. It works on the daily. It works on the weekly. It works on the monthly. It works on the yearly. It works on the 5 year. I'm kidding. I don't think you can do that. Maybe you can. But I've never looked at it. But yeah. So I mean, I guess yeah, you can. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah. So guys, this is the 1 minute. This is the daily. The reactions are everywhere. I mean, these are not just random lines, right? Boom, stuck it there, big bounce, stuck it there, big bounce, right? I mean, these are not just random lines. So definitely very powerful. So keep an eye out for that video. We'll be posting it tomorrow. Well, yeah, let's check out chat. How many confirmations do you look for before entering a trade, entering a higher leverage trade? Jess, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I like to have as many as possible. But I like to have at least 2. Preferably 3, as many as possible, just more than 1, right? You don't just want to trade based off of one thing, right? Because, if you look like you're bouncing here, right? Here, let's go. Let's see, what's the 4 hour looking like? Okay, so say, just for argument's sake, right? You see that we're coming down to the spider line and you're like, oh God, we hit the spider line, right? We just tested the spider line. I'm going to get into a trade. This is long. It's going to bounce. But you see that the VWAP is starting to kind of curve down. Not the best example, but if you are looking for that trade and the VWAP is about to cross the 0 line, probably not the best time to get into a long. So you want to make sure that, if you're looking for a bounce off of this, you want to make sure that maybe you have the VWAP about to cross up over the 0 line on market cipher B, to have that second confirmation, or maybe you want to look for a bullish divergence or something like that. Just any other, you want another confirmation, because you could wind up getting wrecked if you're just trading based off one thing. That's why the buy, I mean, depending on the thing you're using, like a lot of people use like buy sell indicators, and everybody and their grandma's making one of those right now, and who knows what they're putting into it. Some of them might just be the start of a green candle's buy, start of red candle's red. So who knows with the public library on TradingView. So you want to make sure they have multiple confirmations. Let's see. Hashtag at BitBoy Crypto. Hello, can't y'all please unblock me? Oh, is BitBoy Crypto up in here? Where we at? Oh, there they are. New to trading, who dis? BitBoy Crypto. Ben, what is going on? I don't know if it's Ben or who's on that, but yes, listen, BitBoy Crypto, if I said that right, if you're new to trading and you want to learn how to make money trading crypto, whether the price is going up or down, and you want to make a little bit of that New York bagel bread, you want to collect a baguette or something, yeah, follow the channel. We could teach you a thing or two here. No, I'm just kidding. Whoever's on that account, if it is Ben, what's going on, man? Thank you for being here. All right, let's see. When Ben, actually Ben came in on the stream on one of my first streams, or one of my first few streams. He popped in and made an appearance, and TJ made an appearance more recently down here in this studio. So hey, you guys never know what you're gonna get on the channel, right? You sign up for Frankie Candle, sometimes you get TJ and BitBoy Crypto himself. So yeah, you never know. Spider lines sell. I don't even know how to take that. BitBoy, okay, so Rich says BitBoy is everywhere. Dude made me lots of money. Now Frankie is too. Let's go. Hey, I'm clipping it. We're clipping that. Who said it? Where is it? Rich, thank you for that. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate that. You're getting clipped. We're going to clip that because, Ben's making you money and now we're making you money. That's what I like to hear, guys. I always say it. I'm here to help you guys, right? I'm not, I like trading. I like making money. Who doesn't, right? But the wins that I have, my winning trades are nothing. I get this excited compared to when you guys are making money. When you guys say you're making money off this channel, it happened so fast. That's the stuff that gives me the goosebumps. That's what I like to see. That's what I want everybody to be doing. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Off to enjoy the Valentine's Day dinner. Catch the rest later. Thanks, Frankie. Neil, anytime. Have a good one with your significant other and enjoy Feel the love tonight, guys. Feel the love. Yes, Crypto Anon. Ben stopped by, then he walked out of frame. About a minute and 2 seconds later, you heard the Lamborghini fire up, which always you always hear it like in the distance. You just hear that whoa. It's like, oh God, it sounds so good. It sounds so good. It's so crackly when you shift. Oh God, when you shift, you get the little gurgles and the pops and the oh baby, the bing bongs. We love that. We love that. That Lamborghini is insane. Let's see. Also, TJ's GTR is nuts too. That is one of the most fun cars I've ever driven. That's like two of my dream cars right there. Never thought I'd have an opportunity to drive one. Let's see. What's your gut telling you about this market? Mr. Ali, I will, lots of people want to see me on ATB. Hey, I think I know a guy. His name is Deezy. I actually live with him. He's my roommate. But, you know, I know a guy. Maybe I could talk to him. Let's see. Frankie ATB. Yes, let's go. I feel your excitement. Bubba, hey, Bubbas. I like that you feel my excitement. You know why I got the excitement? Because I got this coffee. That's good coffee, guys. It's ice cold. It's ice cold at this time. I can't lie. 176 viewers, guys. Thank you for being here. 245 likes. 5 more likes. We're spinning the wheel. Let's go. All right. When talking the ladies, when taking the ladies out tonight, just take protection will slow your investments down for 18 years. Oh God, that's who is that? Who is that? Hey Daily, that's funny. That's funny. You're funny. Let's see. Can you explain? DZ not rich? Sounds empty. Oh no. We got coffee in here. Don't worry. Oh, that's good coffee. That is good coffee, guys. In New York, you just run off coffee. You just run off coffee. I'm telling you. God, that went down the wrong pipe. Sorry, guys. I'm trying to write down write some stuff down for our team that is helping me out with the channel here. Okay, let's see. XRP chart. Yes, we'll take a look at that. Kurt, I'm highlighting your comment. You're currently highlighted here. I'm not gonna forget you. Gotta eat dinner with the wife and girls. Have a great show. Hey, Act, thank you. ACT, Act 1000, whatever it is. Thank you so much for being here. Go enjoy your night, and happy Valentine's Day. Let's see. Yeah, hit 250. Thanks to. Okay, boom. Yeah, there you go, guys. 252. 252. We're spinning the wheel. This is a fun spin, but we're spinning the wheel later. Boom. Oh, we're frozen. We're frozen. Okay, we froze for a second. All right. Ooh, baby. All right. Let's see. Cold coffee at that. That's not coffee. That's a milkshake. Hey. You'll never know. Oh, guys, by the way, I never did this. I wanted to do it because I think it's funny. If you already hit the like goal. If we get 300 by chance, I will show you the picture of me with a blowout. That is the Pauly D haircut. I'm about 12 years old in the picture. I'm holding an alligator, I think, which makes the picture that much weirder and funnier. So if you guys want to see that picture, put it in the chat. Hashtag Frankie P. DJ Frankie P. Let's see. Okay, we're going to take a look at XRP. Let's get a look into XRP. What do we got? Boom. Okay, naked chart. All right. Come on over to the daily. What is it? This was like 60 cents, right? Yeah, we'll just put that there for fun. Okay. So, hey, let's pull a fib extension. Or I'm sorry, a fib retracement. Let's see. Okay, ready? Boom. Coming from that high, going to this low. Boom. Now look at this, guys. Look at this. Boom. Stuck it here. Again, I just like to reinforce like how well this works. You know, look at all that support. Look at that bounce as resistance. And then we tested it as support again. And then we bounced as resistance. We held it as support. We bounced it as support again. We hit that as resistance, right? So just giving you guys an idea, if you're just starting out, what these colors and lines mean. They're just support and resistance. Don't complicate things, guys. It's easy. It's simple. You know, KISS, right? KISS. Keep it simple, stupid. You know what I'm saying? You got to keep it nice and simple so so you don't overcomplicate things. Sometimes too much information is bad information, and then sometimes too much analysis leads to analysis paralysis, and then it's never good. Then you're up and down. You don't know what to do. That's not what you want to do. You want to be confident. You want to find your trades. You want to buy into your trades or short your trades, sell your trades with confidence. And you want to get in and wait for it to hit your take profit or your stop loss, and you don't want to be wishy-washy about it. We're not about wishy-washy over here. We're all about confidence. All right. So let's see. Yeah, I mean, again, very dependent on what Bitcoin does. You know, if Bitcoin decides to go down, we talked about this earlier in the stream, what we think about Bitcoin. You know, if Bitcoin dumps, I mean, maybe we come, depending on how low we go, if we go into the high 30s or something, you know, if we break this fib level, I mean, you know, you got 70 cents is, you know, you got some support around 70 cents. I mean, worst case scenario, you come back down to 60. But we're gonna have to see what happens. Again, guys, we have a lot of news. We got the Russian thing going on. We got a lot of stuff going on that could totally invalidate what's going on in the charts. You know, if something crazy happens with Russia, who knows what's gonna happen, right? So you got to protect yourself with risk management. Make sure, you know, you're not risking too much. Make sure you're not putting all your money in when you buy in. You want a DCA, dollar cost average. Put a little bit of your money every day, every week, every month, whatever it is for you. $5, 500. You want to do 10 a week, 100 a week, 500 a week. I don't know how rich or how rich you are or how not rich you are. You know, you want, if it's $5, it's $5. It's $1, it's $1. It doesn't matter. You just want to spread it out, right? Because if you buy a little bit here, right, you're like, oh, okay, we dumped. Let me buy a little bit right here. I got in low. Oh, wait, we dumped more. If you only put 10% in, put another 10% in here, right? Put another 10% in here, right? But you want to be careful. You don't want to just buy the dips all the way to the bottom of the bear market, right? So just be careful. But yeah, I mean, let's see if we can hold this fib level. This is about 75 cents. You know, somewhat psychological there with a, you know, 75. Might have a little psychological resistance there or support. So maybe that holds. If we do break it, maybe we come back down to, what was it? Yeah, we come back down to about 65 or was that 70? About 70 cents. You know, we'll have to see how bad Bitcoin, you know, what Bitcoin decides to do. If Bitcoin decides to go nuts, you know, go crazy and decides, you know, jump off a cliff and go free fall, you know, it's not gonna be good for XRP or any of the altcoins for that matter. What did the wheel say? It landed on 100x SHIB long, but we're not into that yet, guys. We're gonna be doing the trades, but we're gonna invalidate those for now. They will be coming soon, and you know you could believe me, right? Because I told you I was gonna try to get you guys some Ledger Nano S's, and we got them, right? So I'm a man of my word. But those will be coming soon. Those trades. Let's see, Frankie, can you look at Sologenic? Hey, Bullish Charles, what's going on? Welcome to the stream here. Yeah, well, I don't know what the ticker is for that. You know the ticker symbol for that. Let's see. Frankie, I have a question. I was taught on doing a fib pull, pull top to bottom, sell short. If you pull bottom to top, buy long. Is this correct? Yeah. We can take a look at. We can go back. Watch the Fibonacci video. Let's see. Hashtag grateful in the chat. Tony says, hashtag grateful if you love this channel and are hyped to learn. Hey, I'm hashtag grateful for you guys. So look at the synergy we got going on in this community. Yeah, you guys are grateful for me. I'm grateful for you. You got to count your blessings. Solo. Okay, we'll take a look at it. DZ sent you dog food. I like that name. Dog food. DZ sent you. Great. I'm sure he read my note that I was live. I wrote it on a $100 bill and put it on his desk while he was live. I snuck up there. And he said he would shout me out, and he did. So shout out to DZ. You're the man. Thank you. So welcome. And if you just popped in, we're giving away a Ledger Nano S this week. So definitely subscribe and stay tuned for the end of the stream. Let's see. Can you check out Wax? Hashtag value. Let's go, G-Man. He's learning. G-Man's learning. So that is good to know. I love knowing that you guys are learning on this channel. I didn't see Solo on TradingView. Any chance of block analysis? Yeah, we'll look at block. I highlighted you, Scott. I highlighted your comment. I'm not going to forget about you. I didn't forget about XRP. I'm not going to forget about Block. There is only one solo chart on TradingView. It's 4 days old. Okay, Tyler Durden, thank you. Thank you for jumping ahead there. So I won't even look for it. I had a feeling it was not going to be on there. But it might be on PooCoin. If you guys don't know about PooCoin, if you go to PooCoin, sounds fake. Go to PooCoin and you could find all these like degen charts. So it's actually very useful if you're into that type of thing. Where DZ at? I don't know. DZ probably went home. I'll be honest. He's probably at the house. Maybe he's at the gym. He's actually probably at the gym lifting heavy stuff. Let's see. Jesse says, Phantom, if you don't mind. Let me look at Block first. We're going to do that now. And now I'm highlighting Phantom. Okay. All right. Let's take a look at Block. Excuse me. All right. BlockFi? How do you spell that? Yeah, okay. Let's see. That's BlockFi, right? Let's see. What's BlockNet? It's not BlockNet, right? It's definitely BlockFi is what you want to see, I assume. Why can't I find a chart on that? Oh, that's why. I spelled it with a C. That's why. Oh, it's Blocktopia. Okay, gotcha. Boom. All right. Oh, hey, yo. Look at that. Is this the right chart? This can't be the right chart, is it? Let's see. I actually just deleted a bunch of coins. I think I had Block on here, but I did just clear a bunch out so we could see better and I didn't get lost. Clearly, I didn't clean out enough. All right. Boom. I guess KuCoin is it? I guess that's it. Yeah, it is Blocktopia. Okay. Okay, cool. All right. Let's come on. Let's go to the 4-hour. Guys, this is a young chart. I don't know. Is this Blocktopia? I don't even know if this is the actual chart, guy. I think it is. Why? All right. Well, let's see. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Is desktop better or so? So when did we end up for a community name? There's kind of an argument about the community name. Not an argument, but a lot of people couldn't vote for some reason. The poll got cut off, and so Candle Crew won, right? But then a lot of people were saying they liked CandleMafia, and now I feel like it's back up for debate. So we're gonna have to figure that out, guys. We're gonna have to figure that out. Hashtag Frankie's followers. DZ wants hashtag Frankensteins. Let's see. Let's see. Seems like a toss-up between hashtag Candle Crew and hashtag CandleMafia. MC Crypto says, XRP Army, big respect for Frankie. Let's go, MC. I respect you, my man. Let's see. Okay, Blocktopia. Geez. I don't know if I feel comfortable even doing analysis on this. Something looks weird about this chart to me. But, I mean, yeah. I mean, here you go. I mean, you got support here. I'll be honest. I don't want to spend too much time on this because I hope this isn't the wrong chart. I don't want to give you guys bad information. But 2 cents. Is Blocktopia 2 cents? That is the question. Let's see. 100% looking forward to the Fib and Spider videos. G-Man, thank you. You're an OG. Let's see. CandleMafia. Candle Cartel. That was another one that we had. That hashtag Candle Cartel. Yeah. Oh, just kicked my water bottle. Yeah, Candle Cartel was another one. We're gonna have to figure that out, guys. Blocktopia. I don't want to give you too much information on this because I feel like I'm looking at the wrong chart if we're being honest. And I like to be honest with you guys, right? I don't like to. There's no bull around here. Only bulls. We got bulls around here, but there's no bull. You know what I'm saying? We'd like to be honest. But I'll tell you this. You got a little bit of support at 2 cents. Yeah, I'm gonna look into that, and we'll look at Blocktopia tomorrow to make sure this is the right thing, because I again don't want to give you guys bad information. All right, let's see. Okay, so this is it. Okay, then we'll continue. All right, so you do have a little bit of support, right? The reason I'm saying this is you had resistance here, support there, right? You flipped it, got a little bit of support there. Okay, so that is at about 1.7 cents. I mean, if you zoom in here, we could probably get it a little closer to 2. Yeah, this is the daily. Guys, your trend lines on the daily want to be drawn to the bodies of the candles. You want to get where the price closed, not the wicks. Just a little trick. Yeah. So at about 2 cents, you got that's your support right there. And then yeah, I'm just gonna say I'll keep this one short and sweet. Let's hope we don't break that. Let's just not break that. Let's hope we go up from here. But yeah, you're low. You're low down here. Blocktopia, man, taking a hit hard. How long ago did you buy Blocktopia? That's my question for you. I forget who asked to see it, but when did you buy it? Let's see. Hope everyone's doing good. Thanks, Frankie, for all the knowledge. Crypto Sasquatch, thank you for coming back. Yeah, anytime. I'm happy you guys come back for it every single day. Every time you guys show up, I will be here as well. All right. 274, guys. We're creeping to 300, guys. Let's go. If we can get it to 300, you guys are getting the DJ Frankie P Paulie D haircut picture. I'll show you guys that, and then I will also be spinning the wheel of pain for me. It's the wheel of pain for me. For you guys, it's the wheel of pleasure. Where else are you gonna come to watch somebody suffer? Do some push-ups, some jumping jacks, some wall sits, which I feel like my legs still hurt from those wall sits, guys. That destroyed me. And where are you gonna come? And then I spin it, I'm in pain. You spin it, you're in pleasure. It's a win-win for you guys, and it's a win-win for me as well, because I go through the pain to support you guys and entertain and teach you guys. Let's see. I haven't bought yet, just looking into it. I mean, I'll tell you this, it's low. It's low, but I mean, we've basically. You had this, when was this? When? All right, so October to, beginning of October to about the beginning of November, you had a massive run up. And then since then, I mean, this thing has just been dumping, right? I mean, you had a little bounce right there, but I mean, you're down 88% from the high. I mean, I not financial advice. If I were looking to buy Blocktopia, I mean, I would maybe feel a little comfortable putting a little bit of money in here, but maybe I would wait. I would wait for Bitcoin to play out, right? I would wait for this this daily VWAP to play out. Yeah. Oh, look at that. We're curving up a bit. Yeah, guys. I mean, again, we can reject. This is Bitcoin now. We can reject off of the zero line and come back lower with that VWAP coming up. But we did close that daily. I'm pretty sure we just closed it. Yeah, we closed it a few minutes ago. But it is looking like a hard curve. And look at that. Look. Oh, there's that random line. Look at that, guys. Look at that. You do have a. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, guys. Oh no. We combined our charts. We made a. Oh my God. We made a mutant chart, guys. All right, and this is how you do technical analysis, guys. You want to put market cipher B right? I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We're gonna go ahead and fix this real quick. Boom. Okay. All right, and let me turn market cipher B back on. Boom. All right, let's get market cipher B back up. All right. Tons of misclicks right now. But yeah, so you have the money flow as well. Taking a hard curve up, right? So this is good. This is good. This is good stuff, guys. This is good stuff. This makes me feel a little better. This makes me feel better about Bitcoin. So yeah, I would say Blocktopia as far as that. I mean, you're super low. You're super low. If you're going to DCA in, right now might not be the worst time to DCA in. I'm not telling you to do that. I'm just saying if I were looking to do to get into BlockFi, I would probably put a little bit in at this price. Let's see. Block would have been a great short. Yeah, you could have shorted that thing for months. You would have made 888% with 10x leverage. Let's see. The sale doesn't get much better. Yeah, Scott, that's basically what I'm saying there. I couldn't really figure out how to say it. Like, it's on sale. The sale's not going to get much better unless it goes to zero. I agree, TD. I feel like my family will start talking more about it. I missed that. Smash those likes. Crypto Anon says smash those likes, guys. He said it, not me. Rafi, did we go over XRP yet? Sorry, I have to leave the stream for a bit, but now I'm back. No problem, Rafi. We could take a real quick look at it again. XRP, right? We're above. We were looking at this fib, depending on what Bitcoin does. If Bitcoin decides to dump, I would be looking to hopefully hold this Fibonacci level. If we break it, we could be looking at, what was it, 75 cents, I think. Or no, it's about 70 cents. I would think maybe, yeah, I'd probably see some support around 70 cents. Sorry, I don't mean to rush through that, but we did just go over it. But yeah, we're holding that fib. Hopefully we can hold that fib is what I mean to say. If we do break it, I think 70 cents is probably likely. Let's see. Smash it. Show that love on this V-Day. Guys, that's right. You can't forget about the like button on Valentine's Day. You think that like button likes being all there by itself? Just world's smallest violin, just playing, just so sad with its thumb. And nobody gives it love, guys. Give it some love. It's Valentine's Day, right? The like button is single. The like button is single. Show it some love, guys. Show it some love. Who else looks out for these comments better than @FrankieCandles? Nobody. Hey, Tony, thank you for that. Yes, we keep an eye on it. And hey, when I miss it, we got Tony in the house, right? We got Tony looking at the comments, bringing them back to my view so I could see them when I miss them. Yeah. Thank you, Tony. Thank you, boss man. Rafi, anytime. I'm sorry. I wish I could go a little longer, but we are running out of time here. As I said, I do want to. I am probably going to jump out of here just a little bit early. Like I said, I do have a beautiful young lady waiting for me on this Valentine's Day. And I don't want to keep her waiting for too long. And I know you guys got to, we got people cooking for their wives. We got people going out on dates. So, I think, we all want to spend time with our loved ones on this very special day. And, I don't want to hold you guys too long, but let's just, Frankie, will you be my Valentine? Rafi, I got you. I could have 2 Valentine's Day. Rafi, you're special with me. You're special. 9 more likes, guys. 9 more likes, and we're at 300. Let's go. Let's see. If we all chip in and get Frankie a bigger screen, he'll be able to see our comments easier. MC Crypto, absolutely. I know. I saw somebody say that. I think it was in a comment, or maybe it was in chat. Yeah, that is hilarious. I do. I need a big screen that we could zoom in on. The text is so small, and the way the monitor is, I don't want the monitor in frames, so it's got to be far away. But let's see here. Let's see. Low, like, okay. Ooh, Frankie snuggles tonight. Mr. Alley, hey. Let's go. Oh, baby, we just cracked 301. Let's go, guys. You smashed it. You guys, you gave the like button the love it was looking for on this sad Valentine's Day for the like button. Let's go, guys. We're spinning the wheel. We're gonna talk about the giveaway just in a second here. And you guys get a picture of DJ Frankie P. Let's see here. What are we at? We've been live for an hour and 31 minutes. Yeah, let me pull up this this little picture here. I gave you guys a little I'll show you here. Let me pull up the solo shot here. I'm gonna get we're doing this old school, guys. We're doing this old school. There it is. Okay. Guys, here we go. If you guys are ready to see the DJ Frankie P haircut, let me get a hashtag DJ Frankie P in chat. And I'm going to show you guys right now. This is embarrassing. I don't want to show this. But I'm going to do it for you guys. I'm going to do it for you. And I'm holding a bird, not an alligator. I don't know why I thought I was holding an alligator. You'd think I'd be able to remember that. But we are holding a bird. But here you go. Why don't you guys check this out? I can't believe I'm about to show this on the internet, but it's okay. Hopefully you guys can see this. You guys see that? Look at that hair. Guys, if you want... Oh, you guys probably can't hear me. I'll come back in a second. There you go. Take your screenshots, people. Take your screenshots. Boom. There is DJ Frankie P with a blowout. Guys, if you want me to bring back the blowout, let me know in the comments. Maybe we'll bring it back. I don't know. It's hard to say. I don't know if I'll have a Valentine's Day. I don't know if I'll have a Valentine next year if I keep that picture or if I keep that haircut or bring it back. I'll probably lose my girlfriend. But hey, you know what? Sometimes you gotta bring back the Paulie D. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. Let's see. That's style right there. Abs Blanchard's Bees. That is style. That is right. That was hot back in the day. When you're from Long Island, you gotta have a blowout at least one time in your life. And your name is Frankie Barisi. You gotta have the blowout at least for a few months. You know what I'm saying? I actually have a hilarious story about the blowout. I'm not gonna tell it today, but if you guys remind me in another stream in the chat, I have a hilarious story about that haircut. Hey, Frankie always set to please. I love it. Hashtag bring it back. All right. The hair matches the collar. Snazzy. Yeah, guys, that was it. It was the popped collars and the Pauly D haircut before Pauly D had it. Well, maybe he had it, but before he was famous. So yeah, you know, I was out there, you know, I was trying to set trends out there. You know what I'm saying? And if you're really, really Italian, you would layer your polo shirts. You would actually people would wear 3 shirts in the colors of the Italian flag, pop all the collars, do their hair, right? And then you go to the Feast of San Gennaro in the city, and you'll be surprised how many people you see dressed up like that. Now thinking back, I don't know what I was doing. I must have been sweating in 3 shirts. But I'm glad we grew out of that style. You know what I'm saying? I was young. I was like 12. For real. NK blowout, bing bong sauce with the side of bread. Bing bong sauce with a side of bread. You gotta have some bread to dip in your hashtag bing bong sauce. You know what I'm saying? Let's see. When you're from Long Island. Abyss, yes. Hashtag when you're from Long Island. Yeah, maybe a Frankie blowout NFT, Tony. That's a good idea. You look like my cousin, Crypto A Nonsense. Oh, let's get hashtag BBB, bring back the blowout in the chat. Rafi, let's go. Let's go. I had a Bieber hair before Bieber got it, bro. Mitch, me and you both, bro. We're trendsetters, right? We're trendsetters. Let's see. Jersey Shore boys, let's go. Hashtag. I don't know why I keep saying hashtag. John Connor says, is Pluto a planet, Frankie Candles? I learned Pluto was a planet when I was in school with my blowout. I learned Pluto was a planet. So I'm inclined to say Pluto's a planet. I don't know how the scientists can just be like, we changed our mind. It's not a planet now. I don't know. Did you guys also know that animals don't sleep during hibernation? I was taught in school that bears go into a hole and sleep for months. That is in fact not the case. I was lied to my whole life. I kind of thought it was weird. I'm like, how do you sleep for months? Anyway. Don't forget about the gold chain. Yeah, that's right. That's right. I don't know if I had a gold chain on that in that picture, but I can guarantee you I was wearing one. I'm trying to get my girlfriend to subscribe. If you can shout her out, she'll subscribe. Her name's Casey. Hey, Wendell, I got you. Hey, Casey. I'm talking to you. You got to subscribe to the channel, right? You wanted the shout out. Here it is. I'm talking to you directly. I'm pointing to you with this little coffee stir. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel. What are you doing? Do you want to learn how to trade? Do you want to learn how to make money? Subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can keep up to date every time I upload a video, and you could keep learning how to trade crypto, whether the price is going up or down. It's like an infomercial. So Wendell, there you go. Casey, subscribe. Doesn't get more direct than that. Hashtag Italian love. Let's go. What's up, Casey? Sub and like, let's go. Hey, Casey's getting shouted out in the chat now. You gotta subscribe. You got the familia, you got the mafia. You got the CandleMafia over here. They're ready to take you into the family. Let's go. Let's see. At least you have hair. Hey, I'm thankful for my hair. I do have hair. I actually got a haircut yesterday. Let's see. Great stream, Frankie. I'm out till next time, bro. Jesse, thank you for sticking around as long as you did. We're actually going to be winding down here. I do want to get out of here just in a little bit. But guys, you hit 300 likes. You got the picture of me in a blowout. You guys got the Fibonacci sauce. You got the spider line sauce. You got both videos coming on the way so you can learn in detail. We took a look at Bitcoin. I think I gave you guys enough sauce for today. Now, just to add a little bit of shredded Parmesan cheese right on top of that sauce. I'm going to give you a little spin. I'm going to give you guys a little spin, all right? Let's see. All right, be sure to smash the like. Let's go. Thank you for your time and knowledge, Frankie. Happy V-Day. Hope. Happy V-Day. Proud to be a part of the family. Absolutely. All right, let's spin the wheel, guys. Let's spin the wheel. And if we do land on something that we can't do right now, we'll just take a scoot to the left. And yeah, let's give it a little spinny-rooney. A little spin-a-rooney here. Okay. We're just going to give it another spin. Oh, that was close to ASMR. We could have done ASMR. I can give you coffee ASMR. All right, free spin. Giveaway. All right, I'll give you the AS. Oh, you guys just got rug pulled on the wheel. Guys, that was a live rug pull. That was like watching, what was that coin? Squid Games. Do you ever see that video? Look it up. Look up Squid Game coin rug pull on YouTube, and you can see it actually go to 0 live. It's hilarious. I'm sorry if you lost money in that. It's not that's not funny, but it is funny to see it just go to zero. It shows you how crazy this market can be when you invest in scams. But yeah, you guys got rug pulled on the giveaway. But don't worry, it's not a big deal. You guys are still gonna get the giveaway. But here's a little coffee ASMR. All right, there you guys go. Little coffee ASMR. So guys, for the giveaway, let's jump into that real quick because I know you guys have been waiting. We got the nanos here. We got the nanos. Hello? Is this thing on? Okay. We have the nanos. How do we want to do this? I think what we're gonna do is I'm going to everybody in chat right now put hashtag I want a nano, and I will take everybody that chats and I will enter you guys into a random picker. Actually, you know what we'll do? You know what we'll do? The first 3 people to put this secret word I'm gonna say in the chat, the first 3 people, I will put your names on the wheel and we will spin it until it lands on one of you, right? You don't know the secret, you don't know the secret word yet. The secret word is love. Oh my God, you guys are blowing that up. Ooh, baby. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. The delay on the chat there, I thought I was gonna be able to stop the I want nano. Okay. Boom. All right. Okay. All right. Okay, guys, chat is gonna break. Chat is gonna break. Don't worry, if you guys don't win this one, we're gonna be giving away another one. So I'm going to take the top 3 people to type love. Let's see, and we're gonna write you on the wheel. Let's see. Okay, first person, Sheldon. Sheldon is the first person. Where's my expo marker? All right. We're gonna have to erase some stuff here. We're gonna erase the trades because we don't need those yet. 100x long. Okay, we get this. I need an eraser. This is the finger's not cutting it. Finger's not cutting it. All right. Sheldon. Okay. Sheldon Rodriguez, and I'm gonna make sure that I get the right people here. Okay. And number two. Wow, how did you get there so much? How did you get that in there so much faster than everybody else? Okay. Bing bong, I want to love Blanchard's bees. Let's go, Blanchard. Blanchard's. Okay, and number 3 is MC Crypto. Let's go. MC Crypto. And if you guys don't know, Tony's nephew drew on this board. I'm just kidding. He made fun of me because my handwriting was really bad. Guys, there we go. Let me just catch up on chat real quick. Bro, the stream isn't 100% live for everybody. Love, okay. Okay. Give them a color. I want, okay. Wow, boom. All right. How you gonna skip me? Rafi was before Blanchard. Okay, guys, this might take a little bit. I'm gonna go back and look through chat. If I butcher that, I don't want to I don't want to hold up the stream too much, making sure I get the first person. I will go back and find the first 3 people that put in love, and then I will put you guys on the wheel. And tomorrow night, I will be spinning it, and we will pick the winner, and we will get you out your Ledger Nano S. And guys, if you didn't win today, it's okay. You know, we're gonna be doing a bunch of giveaways here. Whether it's a Cardano NFT or whatever it is we come up with, could be a Ledger Nano S, could be this coffee stir, whatever it winds up being. We will be giving away more, and we will have another chance to win a Nano S very soon. So let's see. Oh, Bees is banned. I think as TJ or Ben. Not from this stream. Oh no, she's right there. He's right there. Okay. Congrats to the winner because I'm as lucky as Charlie Brown. All right. I believe the lag got some people 30-second delays. Now that is a great plan. Okay. Still appreciate all the knowledge, Frankie. I think the random name picker will be better. Yeah, guys. Tyler, good point. So I'm going to stick with this, right? The first 3 people that put love in the chat, I will send this one to. We have more. Don't worry. We're going to do more. We're going to give away, maybe we'll give away a Cardano NFT tomorrow. But we're just starting here, guys. This is my first giveaway. We're going to figure out a better way to do that. I think a random name generator will work. And maybe we'll do that tomorrow. You know what? I'm going to say it right now. Tomorrow, I'm going to try to get a Cardano NFT. And we're going to give it away, and we're going to do a random name generator. That way, if anybody feels ripped off in the delay and stuff, maybe that wasn't the best way to do it, we'll give away a Cardano NFT. Or maybe another Nano. You have to see. Maybe we'll give away another Nano. It depends on what you guys want. But we'll do another giveaway tomorrow in case anybody feels like they got ripped off in this, because this might have not been the best way to do it. But tomorrow, we will do the random name generator, and we're going to get you guys some free stuff. Got to go to dinner. Don't leave the young women waiting. Okay, KP, thank you. I will not. We're going to hop off. It's all good. Still had fun. Do 3 and 3. Yeah, too much deal. Yeah, I think ledger or not, I'm a happy camper. Let's go, Rafi. Let's go. Hashtag I want a Nano. Great show, Frankie. See you on the flip side. Peace. All right, guys. So yeah, tomorrow more giveaways. Make sure you set your stop losses. And make sure you get your healthy serving of sauce tonight at your Valentine's Day dinner. And hey, if you guys are single, or even if you got a significant other, guys, just always remember on this special Valentine's Day, I love you guys, all right? As long as we have each other, we're good. You guys are the best community. I love each and every single one of you. Thank you for coming in, and I will see you guys tomorrow. That's all I got. Frankie Candles out.